Want to know how to make your contract signable and shareable in just one step? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to streamline your contract process so it's fast, efficient, and easy to manage. First off, let's get to the core of the issue. Contracts are a vital part of any business, but the process of getting them signed and sent around can be tedious. You've probably tried using different tools and software, but there's always something missing. Either they're hard to use or don't work seamlessly for sharing and signing in one go. Well, today I'm going to share a solution that eliminates all those roadblocks. The software we'll be using is a game changer for anyone who needs a fast, secure, and reliable way to handle contracts. Instead of manually signing contracts and then emailing them back and forth, you can now sign and share documents in a single step. Imagine how much time you'll save by eliminating back and forth emails, missed signatures, and confusion about who signed what. Here's how it works. With this software, you simply upload your contract, add the necessary signers, and send it off. The recipients get an email with a link to your contract. They can review it, sign it, and send it right back to you, all in one step. There's no need to print, scan, or deal with complicated PDFs. Now, one of the coolest things about this software is that it integrates with your favorite cloud storage options, so you can easily pull in your documents from Google Drive or Dropbox and send them out directly. This makes sharing contracts a breeze. No more multiple steps or different tools, just one software to manage everything. If you've tried other software solutions before, you might have run into limitations or clunky interfaces. But with the software I'm showing you today, the user experience is clean, intuitive, and designed to get contracts signed and shared quickly. And here's the best part. You can follow along right now by signing up for an exclusive free trial of this software, only available to viewers of my channel. Just click the link in the description below to get started. No long-term commitment, just an easy way to see how it works for you. Before I wrap up, let's take a quick look at the key takeaway. To make your contract signable and shareable in one step, all you need is the right software that combines easy signing and seamless sharing into a single, streamlined process. Don't waste any more time juggling multiple tools or dealing with inefficient processes. Just to recap, here's what we covered. Upload your contract, add signers, send it off, and let the software handle the rest. It's that simple. And remember, you can grab that exclusive free trial in the description below so you can try it out for yourself and see just how easy it is to manage your contracts from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and make sure to take advantage of that free trial. See you next time.